All right, Frankie, why don't you start it up for us? Hopefully you can tell by the pictures, this is as close to a brand new car from 2008 that you're going to find. Fuel injected 4-cylinder, it's the Ecotec DVT. I've never heard a bad thing about them, other than they're not a race engine, but they got plenty of performance. Sweet. Sounds like a brand new car. And let me close this hood. Looks like the power steering reservoir over there. Air filter up front. I've never heard a bad thing about this or the Saturn version of these cars. The only reason they stopped making them was Pontiac. GM put Pontiac and Saturn out of business. Too bad. This is a great little car. Okay, let's see headlights. Okay, why don't you show us the headlights? Okay, and I see the parking lights. How about turn signals? Okay, the other one. Very nice, thank you. Let's go out back. Oh yeah, try the wipers. Okay. The paint is beautiful. I detailed it myself. It is beautiful, and it's actually not black. It's dark Ming blue. Here we go. Beautiful taillights on these cars too. All right, let me see some brake lights. Brake lights? Oh, okay. There you go. And turn signals again. There you go. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to ask you just to back up and pull away so we can hear it just driving normally like a new car. Okay. Now I want to see the reverse light, so I'm going to go behind you. There you go. There's our backup lights. All right, put her in drive and
Pull away.
pull away. That is a nice car. I must have spent, I don't know, a week detailing this car to make it look as brand new as possible. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Anyway, the convertible top on this car is brand spanking new. It cost him $3,500 for that Hearts cloth handmade replacement top. The tires are brand new. And a couple little things he had fixed on it because he was fixing it up for his wife before the health issues came into his life. So anyway, I hope you love the car. Bye.